So next time you walk through a high-end mall, look closely at that massive, ultra-crisp digital display wrapping around a pillar. Because what you're looking at isn't just a screen, it's actually a high-powered, localized computer. Welcome to today's deep dive. We are analyzing a product page from a 25-year AV vendor for the BrightSign XT245-32GB standard I/O media player.
Yeah, quite a mouthful.
It is, right. But our mission today is to decode the tech specs and, understand why this device is billed as the ultimate solution for demanding digital signage. Because, honestly, it retails for $913. Let's unpack this. I mean, wait, $900. I can get a 4K streaming stick for, like, $40. Why would a retail store pay a massive premium just to play an ad on a loop?
Well, I mean, it's a completely different lead. A consumer streaming stick really just does one thing. It pushes a standard pre-recorded movie to a standard rectangular TV.
Right, a typical 16:9 rectangle.
Exactly. But commercial spaces, they don't just use rectangles anymore. What's fascinating here is its support for customizable display resolutions and really unique aspect ratios.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we're talking about weird, non-standard digital canvases. Think of an architectural display that's extremely tall and narrow, or maybe a wraparound screen covering a 90-degree corner.
Okay, so if an architect builds a massive triangular screen, a standard video file would just get, like, stretched out and look terrible. So is this device acting almost like a custom tailor for video? Like it's perfectly stitching the content to fit whatever bizarre screen shape they invent?
That is a perfect way to put it. It's a bespoke fit for every screen. It delivers flawless 4K HDR video and full-resolution graphics to those bizarre shapes. But that actually leads to a huge engineering challenge.
Because standard video is just a rectangle, right?
Right. So to actively bend and wrap and render that content in real time without lagging, I mean, that requires some serious processing architecture under the hood.
Yeah, because you can't have a glitchy, lagging screen in a luxury store. So how is it actually pulling off that real-time wrapping? Like, what is it doing differently than my laptop just playing an MP4?
Well, instead of just playing a flat video file, this device relies on heavy-duty software support. It natively runs HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, SVG, WebGL, and Chromium.
Wait, really? That is like a massive alphabet soup of web tech.
It is. But rather than getting lost in the acronyms, what that actually means is it's rendering ultra-smooth, complex websites locally. It's drawing real-time 3D graphics and complex data feeds, just like a high-end gaming browser would.
Oh, wow. So it's actively calculating the visuals on the fly. I mean, that takes an enormous amount of computing power,
Yeah, exactly.
which usually means, a massive power supply and a lot of heat. But looking at the hardware conveniences, it uses power over Ethernet, or PoE+, and it comes with a pre-installed 32GB microSD card. How on earth is it pulling off that much processing just using PoE+?
I mean, that's the true technical marvel here. Pushing flawless 4K video and real-time 3D rendering usually requires a bulky power brick. Doing all of that while drawing power solely from a standard network cable is incredible.
Right, you're sending both the data and the power through a single Ethernet cord,
Yeah, exactly.
which completely eliminates the need for a separate power cable. Like, you don't have to hire an electrician to put a new wall outlet up near the ceiling just to plug it in. You just run one network cable, easily hide this powerful little computer behind a sleek display, and you're done. Plus, wrapping up the logistics for you, that $913 price tag includes free USA shipping and a 1-year BrightSign warranty. And there's even a 5% discount code, 5% off, available at checkout.
Right. So if we connect this to the bigger picture, the XT245 really is an invisible enterprise powerhouse. It's the silent engine running the modern visual world we interact with every single day.
It definitely makes you look at those digital signs differently, which leaves us with a final thought for you to ponder on your own. Given that these concealed boxes run advanced web languages like WebGL and Chromium to power the public signs we walk past every day, how long until these displays function more like massive interactive public computers rather than just digital posters? Something to think about next time you walk past a glowing screen.